Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to edit tasks unstructured. First, open your structured app. Here you will see I have created various tasks for me. But let's say I want to edit any of the tasks. How can I do it? Well, it's really simple. First, tap on the task you want to edit and then tap on Edit Task. Here, you can adjust the title, you can select the time, you can adjust the date, you can select the duration of the task. Also, you can change the color from the Edit section. You can choose how often the task will repeat, but this is a pro feature. Also, you can set alerts for your task, but that's also a pro feature. And at the very last, you can add notes or any reminders to your task via the any details section. Also, you can create subtasks for your task, which is very useful for any essential steps that you have to follow to complete the task. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.